Hello, I'm Dr. Gregg Anderson, and I'm excited to give you some great tips on self-care for your back. First the why and then the how. It has been said that necessity is the mother of all inventions. Problems need solutions, and the solution that is the easiest, cheapest, available, and the most effective wins. The Back Flosser may be just what you are looking for your back pain. Because back pain affects millions of people around the world every year. There is a great need for solutions. The variety of possible solutions that people try that I hear about is staggering. Pills can be toxic and addictive. Creams and lotions and patches can be a big hassle and a mess. Professional services can be very helpful, but not always convenient or affordable. And surgery, my goodness, that's a last resort, and it's not always helpful or necessary. A recent study published in the November 2010 issue of the journal JMPT looked at the insurance costs of treating over 85,000 patients with back pain. It revealed that the most expensive thing you can do when you have back pain is go to your medical doctor. The average cost in the study was over $1,000. The paid costs for going to a doctor of chiropractic was 40% less than initiating care with an MD. The reason chiropractic care is more effective and costs less is simple. A good chiropractic evaluation and adjustment gets directly at the cause of most back pain, instead of simply managing the symptoms or wasting money on needless tests. What is the most common cause of back pain? In the books it is often referred to as mechanical back pain. That means that some or all of the parts in and around your back are not working correctly. The problems in the parts include the muscles, the fascia, the spinal joints, and the discs. And so what does a mechanical problem need? A mechanical solution, of course. If you have annoying, squeaky, jumpy brakes on your car, for example, who do you take it to? Not the muffler shop or to the general practitioner. No, you take your problems to the brakes guy, who will fix the problem and not just give you some earplugs or recommend some big overhaul to mask the problem. So how does back pain develop? In a nutshell, stress. Poor posture, injuries, physical habits, overuse, and even emotional tension can all be sources of stress. You could probably name a few more too. If the stress is too much, the energy that is created to deal with it builds up, and then the parts get tight. Again, these parts include the muscles, like the ones at the base of your head, the shoulder muscles and the trapezius, or in between the shoulder blades, the rhomboids, or the muscles along your back and your spine. Then they start to hurt, and well, you know the story, you're watching this. Now, if things progress too far and the tension will not go away, professional chiropractic adjustments, again, are the most beneficial and cost-effective way to manage those. However, what if you could target and relieve those stressed and tense areas of your back before you need professional help in a way that is simple, feels good, and is absolutely free? Most things in life, if you take care of them and maintain them, can last a lifetime. When it comes to your back, it better last a lifetime because you're obviously going to need it. And last I checked, they don't have any replacement parts at Target or Walmart just yet. So for years, I have been recommending what I call the Back Flosser. We all know that regular daily flossing is great for maintaining your teeth and gums, and your dentist loves you for it. But not all people know that there are many things you could do for your back on a regular basis. So why not learn how to floss your back? You can reduce the tension and stress and knots and pain that build up. So you could follow along here and make your own back flosser at home, or you could stop by the clinic and pick one up. Let me show you how to make one, and then I'll show you how to floss your back. You'll need 3 simple things. First of all, an old sock that has lost its match, and 2 old tennis balls. If you don't have your tennis balls rolling around your house, you can find them at just about any grocery store or Walmart or a sporting goods store. Now this part's very technical. You take your old sock and put one ball inside of it and follow it up with the other ball. And again, very technical here. You squeeze the balls down to the end of the sock. Dun, 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 dun. Tie a little knot in it a couple inches away, and there you go. You're ready to floss. Some frequently asked questions: why a sock instead of loose? Some of the reasons include dogs, boys, and grandmas. The family dog will think the balls are his and get slobbery all over them, and you won't want to use them. Boys will hit them over the fence with baseball bats, and the last thing you want is grandma tripping on them on the floor and going down, or anybody else. And don't use a billiard ball too hard or a racket ball too soft. The tennis balls are just the right balance of firmness and softness for most people to get a great flossing experience. So let's get started.
Getting started with the back flosser is really quite easy. It is very user-friendly. You can put a little twist in between the balls to isolate and target specific tight muscles in your back. This is a very common and effective placement of the back flosser along the back muscles. This shows it up high in between the shoulder blades where muscles are often very tight and uncomfortable. One really great way to use the back flosser is to put the back flosser against a firm surface such as a wall. Targeting the areas along the back, you can roll up and down and isolate tight and tense areas of your back, like this. Another excellent way to use the back flosser is to set it along a firm surface such as the floor or a chiropractic table like this, and then lie slowly down onto it, targeting and pushing into the tight and tense muscles. You can roll gently up and down a little bit from side to side, or simply persist on the tightest muscles for even 1 to 2 minutes. This can feel very good. Always go nice and slow and easy, listening to your body as you go. You can lie down slowly, keeping the balls on each side of the spine until you find that really comfortable, cozy place. Another excellent way to use the back flosser is to place the balls close together and then cup with your hands like this, and then place at the base of your skull up high in your neck where often very tense and tight muscles develop and can cause headaches. And then lie down, keeping your hands on the balls to put them right on the tense and tight spots. Many people use the back flosser in their favorite chair, their office chair, or even their seat in their car to reduce the tight, tense muscles that build up every day. Well, there you go. You may use the back flosser like dental floss on a daily basis on any tense or tight muscle that develops in your body. From your neck, to your back, to your shoulder areas, to your glutes, to your hamstrings, your iliotibial bands, your calves, or yes, your feet. Simply roll up and down or persist on a tight muscle until it relaxes, even 1 to 2 minutes. Hope you have a great time using your back flosser on a daily basis to reduce your stress. Enjoy and take care.